Hello, my name is Ni Hamuda and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you some trick on WhatsApp. The first is going to be how to send photos as document on WhatsApp. That's going to be the first. Alright, so let's go to WhatsApp. Okay, I'm going to be using the normal WhatsApp. This works for both the normal WhatsApp and the business WhatsApp, whichever one you're using. In fact, any WhatsApp you're using, this is the way to do it. Okay, now sometimes some person can tell you that, okay, I want you to send me photos, okay, your image or whatsoever it is, and I want it sent as a document. Now the reason why it is you should send photo or pictures as a document is so that it doesn't lose its quality. Because if you send photos like this, that is, let me go to this right here. Now if you send photos like this, all right, you click on gallery and you send the image directly from here. Okay, let me just show you now. If I send image, this for this image, I'm sending it directly from this gallery on WhatsApp. If I click on send, it's going to send. Okay, it's going to send, but the quality of this image has reduced. Notice this, notice the sponsor. You can see how blurry it is. Okay, let me show you what I mean now. But if you want to send as document, instead of doing it clicking this what's it called, gallery here, you click on documents. Click on document, then you see browse all the docs. Click on it, then it's going to take you to your phone system. Now that same email I just sent is what is right here. Okay, then you can also go here to search for the image. So you go to images, you can go to downloads, you can go to your phone memory, you can go to your external memory card, or wherever you know the image located, then you search for it. But for mine, it's already here, so I'm going to click on it like this, and it's going to send exactly with the name that I saved the image on my device. I will click on send now, and you'll see that this same image has been sent. Now this is the one I sent without, not as document. I sent it normally. Now are you seeing when I zoom, you can see that it's sponsored by NAC 15. It's blurry. Okay, now because WhatsApp have reduced the quality. But if I click on this one that I sent as a document, if I open it, notice the difference. I'm going to zoom it like this. Do you see the difference? Whereas this one is very clear, I can see it. I can see it. Even though I zoom it out like this, I can see the information here. Why? Because this is the way it is. This is the raw file. This is the way it is. This is the size that it was originally saved on my device. That is why it's not changing. But let me go and show you the one that I sent as normal. This is the one we just opened now, right? But let me show you this one. Let me show you this one. This is the one I sent as normal photo from gallery. Can you see that it's blur? Yeah, that's the reason why you need to send picture. If you are doing a design, for example, or you are doing anything, you want the picture to not to lose quality, then you need to send as document. I repeat again, click on the attach icon, then click on document, go to browse other docs, and locate the image that you want to send to the person. Once you located that image, what you should do is click on send. Good. If you wanted to do more, to send more, the same thing, click on this, click on documents, click on browse other docs, and then go to where the file is located in your device. Once you located the file, then select as many that you want to use, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as many as you want. Then click on select and send. All these images are going to be sent as a document, and they're going to be the exact size. This thing right here, you can do it not only for photos, you can do it for images, videos, and some other doc formats. All right, so this is it. That is number one trick. The number two trick is, for example, somebody saw a post on your status like this, all right, or like this. All right, let's say somebody saw this image on your status, all right, and they are saying, please can you send me this image, or it could be a video even that they see on your status, and they say please send me and you really want to do that, you want to be generous to send to them. What you should do is this: instead of going to your WhatsApp and begin to search for it, go right here like this. You will see this share icon here, this share icon. Click on it, the forward icon rather. Click on it and forward it to the person, and look at it. The image on my status will be forwarded to this person. Right, not just images. If it was a write-up like this that somebody saw on your status and the person said I can't copy the link, I want the exact text. Let's say I want this exact text that you're putting here and I want it to be sent to me. Simple. Do it like that, and then click on the forward button, and then it will forward it to the person exactly the way you typed it on your WhatsApp. This is one of the ways to do to do it. Right, so just imagine if you want to save things that you have already posted on your status, you can do it like this. That is very beautiful. Then another trick that I'm going to be teaching you is this one right here. All right, this is the trick I'm going to be teaching you now. If you wanted to, for example, from WhatsApp, you wanted to transfer your status. Okay, this is your status. There's a link here. If I wanted to transfer this link to my Facebook, how am I going to do it? Because WhatsApp is connected to Facebook and Instagram, but I want to transfer this right here on my status to my Facebook. This is how to do it. Click on this icon here. Are you seeing it? This option here. Then go to option and go to share to Facebook. Smash it and wait for it. Now you see it will load. Now you can see share this story on Facebook. Click on share and automatically that has been shared already. How do you confirm that? I go to Facebook right now, and then I will see that status has been shared. Are you seeing it? It has been shared to my Facebook right now. Are you seeing it? Now, if there was a link that you wanted to be clickable, you want to see a clickable link on your Facebook, it is very easy. You go to, let me use this my business WhatsApp for this experience. Okay, this is it. I want let me see this status. All right, so I want this one to be clickable on my Facebook status. I will click on share and then take it to Facebook, and then I'll click share. Simple like that, and then it has been shared to my Facebook. Let me confirm it now. Go to Facebook and go to this right here. Okay, it's loading. Okay, let's see. I think it's still loading, but it's going to get to your Facebook and it's going to be clickable. The link will be clickable so that somebody can easily click it on your Facebook. So view stories. I think it's still loading. That's why. So that's how to share on from WhatsApp to your Facebook. I think you've learned some wonderful, cool trick on WhatsApp. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post tutorials like this. And don't forget to drop me a comment if you like this video. Tell me in the comment section and I'll be glad to reply to your messages. Thank you so much. I am Nii Amuda, your friend.